Bia Kamal and wale banangi ketiti. Michi word that is okay. Anguludama ludeni momo momo guae. That is okay, momo guae. Michi laru nene. It happens. Ladnudi jen la tuoke. It happens jen la tuoke. Michi laru no problem. No problem mean teleriak. Ki teleriak. No problem teleriak. Michi laru don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Larnudi. Shu dear ke kwide, shu dear ke kwide. Don't worry about it. Shu dear ke kwide. Michi larno nene. I forgive you. I forgive you. Larnodi en chaji palika en chaji palika. Tangunde larno chaji palika. Michi larno I forgive you. Ko you yours ka jakaro ejin kaneye. Namo dongda la mugwa. Chana janyoka mugur konabe. That is okay, mamo gwae. That is okay, Mama Guaya. It happened. Jen la tuoka. Jen la tuoka. It happened. Jen la tuoka. No problem. Teleriak. No problem. Teleriak. Don't worry about it. Shu dear ke kwide. Shu dear ke kwide. I forgive you. En chaji palika. Or you can say en chaji palika. Please follow for more. Where were you last month? Where were you last month? Jintini ka kapai echange. Jin tinika kapaye shange. Where were you last month? Jin tinika kapaye shange. I was in Gambela. I was in Gambela. And Taka Gambel. And Taka Gambel. What did your sister buy at the mall? What did your sister buy at the mall? Anguchi nyimora koko kasuk. Anguchi nyimora koko kasuk. She bought new shoes. She bought new shoes. Jen chakok war te paiben. Jen chakok war te paiben. What time did he eat breakfast today? What time did he eat breakfast today? Jen chakwan ron wang sham ke ta di en wale. Jen chakwan ron wang sham ke ta di en wale. He ate breakfast at 6 a.m. He ate breakfast at 6 a.m. Jen chamit kata bakel am. Jen chamit kata bakel am. When did you get married? When did you get married? Ene kwen kajimo. Ke ene kwen kajimo. When did you get married? Ene kwen kajimo. Ke ene kwen kajimo. We got married July. We got married in July. We got married in July. Konchine kwen kapai baro. Konchine kwen kapai baro. Please follow for more. Bia Kamal Chanangich Kaditini. I am 27-year-old. I am 27-year-old. Anta Karunti Jandang Ruidbaro. The meaning of I am 27-year-old is Anta Karunti Jandang Ruidbaro. How old are you? How old are you? Jugan Jinunena T Karundi. T Karundi. How old are you? T Karundi. She is 15. She is 15. Take Karun Waldi. Take Karun Waldi. She is 15. Take Karun Waldi. My mother is 65 years old. My mother is 65 years old. Mar take Karunti Janbakel Widero. Mar take Karunti Janbakel Widero. I am sad. I am sad. And Jagloid. And Jagloid. She is excited. She is excited. Jen chiloide test. Jen chiloide test. Or jen test loide. Jen chiloide test. You are angry. You are angry. Jin gaki. Jin gaki. We are happy. We are happy. Conteloida. 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 Please follow for more. Okay. Banangish ketitini. Mishi laro nene. I saw a dog. I saw a dog. Malude. And chajognen. I saw a dog and chajognen. She ate an orange. She ate an orange. Jen shamit ke orange. Jen shamit ke orange. The boy is here. The boy is here. Dol jagwame. Dol jagwame. My name is Chankwat. My name is Chankwat. And shall shuda Chankwat. And shall shuda Chankwat. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. And gore o be English ngach. And gore be English ngach. She is my sister. She is my sister. Jen enyimar. Jen enyimar. We are going to church. We are going to church. Kon wune luakot. Kon wune luakot. They live in Bentiu. They live in Bentiu. Shenkan ka Bentiu. Shenkan ka Bentiu. They live in Bentiu. Shenkan ka Bentiu. Please follow for more. Mala shanangish katiti. Mishawe I am. I am angulodemo. I am lodeni ahan. I am ahan. We are lodenim. We are kakon. Kakon. We are kakon. You are angulodemo. You are a jin. You are a jin. You are a jin. Milerije nyal. You are nyamame a jin milerije wood. She is jena milerije nyal jena. You are a plural lurni kayen. You are kayen. He is lurni jena jena. They are lurni kenke kenke. They are kenke. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Engich. I am a teacher. Engich. We are teachers. Kakon ngech. We are teachers. Kakon ngech. Follow for more.